You're gonna love the 2023 Nissan Leaf. Make a commitment to a greener world and enjoy all-electric efficiency in this aerodynamic Leaf. Love it for its smooth power, easy charging, nimble handling, and comfortable cabin, while you benefit from the perks of its generous cargo space and hatchback convenience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, backup camera, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, stability control, traction control. Be the future in this eco-friendly Leaf. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.